Shey you know the fast ni?
Fast. Say as I dey like this, I tell you say I be Muslim.
So this your beer na fake.
So you say your head no correct. When we say all the training why they give you for police soldier college, nothing dey enter your head. Ojeoshi.
Oga me I hungry o. Hunger dey worry me.
Go shop na. Shebi I give you 150 from the T50 wey we make last week.
I don spend am finish. No, you don lost.
You lost. Money lost for your hand. Very good. As he lost, so you sef go lost with am. Okay, Oshi. Go carry tire, make go block that road, make you collect money from Yahoo boys and anybody wey dey pass.
Hunger dey worry me o.
Hunger dey worry me o. Brother, pay attention. Hey. Na me dey use say answer. Abi? Na your answer be that. Brother, pay attention.
Yeah.
Hetbe sangalewa.
Yeah.
Hetbe sangalewa.
Yeah.
Sangalewa.
Yeah.
Sangalewa.
Yeah.
Sangalewa.
Yeah.
Brother, pay attention. Yeah. Stop that motor. Stop that motor. Stop that motor.
Stop your motor. Stop your motor. Back like this. Why wind down? Yeah.
Wetin do you?
Lala. Madam, wait. Now you do me o. Where you dey go?
My boyfriend house.
What's going on there? What's going on there?
She say I'm going to my boyfriend house.
Boyfriend, very good. Hello, off that car. Come down. Come down from that car now. Officer, what? Very good. Well done, madam. Where are you going?
My boyfriend house.
Your boyfriend house. Very good. Offense number 1. How old are you?
18 years old.
18 years old. Very good. Offense number 1. Teenage abuse. You tell your mama say you dey go boyfriend house.
What's the meaning of this now, officer?
What's the meaning of what? You are talking to officer of the law like that. See the brain. See the way they call the officer of the law. You are doing like this. You are throwing your hand. I be offense number 2. Talking to officer of the law anyhow and spit on my face. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Officer, what? Attack!
So, officer, you say waiting.